Good morning and happy Thursday to you. My name is Latrina, and earlier in the week, you spoke to my son, Nora spoke to my son, Chris, regarding a video that we wanted to send over to you to show you things that you can do to improve your online presence. So this is a video that we've made for San Jose Appliance Repair. As we explained, there's no selling in the video. We believe givers gain. So we make these free videos and send them out to other business owners with the hope of bringing value and service to your business and community. Your feedback is extremely important to us, though. We'd like to make sure that our videos are actually helpful, so please let us know after watching the video with a quick email if it was helpful or not, just so that we can improve our videos. So what I'm going to cover for you is content, backlinks, and citations and why these are important website elements. I'll take a look at your company's online presence and make recommendations for improvement if I see any. Content is anything that's on your website. It's the words, the videos, the images. You want to have enough content because this allows Google to crawl your website and grab all of the relevant keywords that explain exactly what it is you do. Ideally, your homepage should have at least 1,500 words and 500 on your back pages just to help you to outrank your competition. Citations are listings you can get in directories like Google, Yellow Pages, for example, and it's your business name, address, and phone number like the example shown. You want to get as many of these on the internet as possible. It's basically your footprint on the internet. It shows Google that you are a legitimate business and that you're trustworthy because you are a real company. And then backlinks are the placement of your website address onto other websites. So if you think about like Facebook, Yelp, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, any of those are considered backlinks because they are helping to direct traffic to your website. The more backlinks you have, the more popular your website becomes. And to Google, it's important because it shows if a company is trustworthy or not. If you think about it, if another company is willing to let your company place your website on their site, it kind of shows some level of trustworthiness, right? So that's what Google thinks as well. So you want to get as many backlinks as you can, as I mentioned, but not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure that you stay in your niche. So being an appliance repair company, you'd make sure that things, your backlinks are related to appliance repair, home improvement, that kind of thing. So let's jump over to Google for a quick moment. So I did a search for appliance repair, San Jose, California, and what we come up with are some ads at the top, which is pretty typical. Usually ads are at the top and the bottom of the screen. One thing to note about advertisements is some people won't see them because a lot of people these days have ad blockers installed on their computers. The main area that I want to draw your attention to is this area right here called the map pack. And this is where Google lists who they perceive to be the top ranking 3 companies for the keyword search. So in this case, for appliance repair, San Jose, California, these are the 3 businesses that are ranking. Okay, 30 to 40% of traffic that happens in Google searches occur in this small area here. Okay, then Google continues to rank businesses in order of their placement. What you'll notice is that as you move further from the first few pages, there's less and less visibility because less people are clicking in those areas. If you think about the last time you may have done a Google search, you probably clicked somewhere in the first few pages, 1, 2, or 3, or even in this map pack area. So it's important to get your business listed on the first few pages and ideally target getting your business here in this space. So let's take a look at your website. Very good. Okay, so one thing I'm going to recommend is you put a contact form. It doesn't have to be a big one, but a contact form somewhere on your page, preferably the first half of your page so that you can collect name, phone number, email. That will give you an immediate hot lead for someone who's looking for your services. You want to do that just because sometimes people call or you miss their call or they don't leave a clear message. So at least you're giving them an opportunity. And studies have shown that when there is a contact form, most people do fill that out. I would also recommend a larger logo. Like you want to stand out and call out your business name. So don't be shy about your logo. I would recommend making that a little bit bigger. The one thing that does catch my attention is that you don't have a lot of content on your page. Remember, 1,500 words on your home page at least, and at least 500 on your back pages, okay? Now, it seems like a lot, but this is going to allow 2 things. First, it's going to allow you to put all of the keywords on your page that people are actually typing here. So when people are searching, these are keywords. You want to have as many keywords that match up with people are actually typing in on your website, okay? That's going to help you to appear in the search results. Also, with more content, you're going to allow Google time to spend on your website learning about your company and becoming familiar with what it is you do. That can only work in your favor. All right, so definitely get some more content on your page. Let's take a look at your data. So right now, on a scale of 1 to 100, your popularity for your backlink profile is pretty low. You only a 0. This number right here is dropped significantly. You used to have at one time 495 backlinks, as you can see, but you're down to 40. I would recommend you continue grabbing those backlinks, because if you remember, backlinks are an indication of popularity and trust. It's kind of like high school all over again. You want to make sure that you appear trustworthy and popular according to Google, okay? Your referring domain number is very low as well. I see you're adding a few of these lately. So you had 97 at one time, you're down to 12. So definitely get your referring domains out there, build that up, your citations, because it just shows that you're a legitimate company and it makes your presence more visible out in the internet, okay? Let's see how you're doing with your keywords. So you have 12 keywords that you're ranking for, but you're ranking very, very low. So look, refrigerator repair San Jose, 250 people are searching that. That's good, pretty good volume, but you're number 38 on that list. Appliance repair in San Jose, 600 people. Wow, 600 people are searching that, but you're number 55. So this is just an indication that you need more content on your homepage so that you can sprinkle these keywords throughout your site and do a better job with ranking for those, okay? Over time, you can increase your ranking for those. Let's see how your competitor. So I pulled up one of your competitors from that first Google page. This is Master Appliance. As you can see, although you're getting 0 traffic from your organic keyword searches, they are getting somewhere between 163 and 195 or 80. Well, it's dropped earlier this week for some reason, but you can see they're getting considerably more clicks than you are from their organic traffic. So definitely there's some room for you to grow and improve. My takeaways for you are definitely build out that website some more and get more content so that you can get all of those keywords on there that people are actually typing in that will match you when they're doing a Google search, they will find you, okay? The other thing is definitely build out those backlinks, continue to add backlinks and referring domain citations to the internet for your company. And with that, I'm pretty sure that you will continue over time to see growth. You'll start to see more traffic, and as a result, that will lead to more leads, customers, and sales for you all. With that, I'm going to end it here. I hope this has been helpful. Please shoot me a quick email. Let me know you watched it. Let me know if it was helpful or not. And also, if you have questions, let me know that too so that I can clarify anything for you. I hope this has been helpful. I wish you a great rest of your week and much continued success for San Jose Appliance Repair. Take care.